Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 computer keeps freezing randomly. Let's fix it guys. For that you just need to open up File Explorer, right click on the system drive, Windows icon over here. You just want to right click on it, select properties, select the tools tab and error checking, click on check, click on scan drive, wait for it until this done. Windows successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found. You just need to click on close and close out of here as well, and go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator, right click on it, select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type sfc space slash scan now, sfc space slash scan now, press enter. So this is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. Your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.